Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss how to install a MRCOOL mini split. Installing a MRCOOL mini split is straightforward if you're moderately handy. The process involves choosing the right locations for the indoor and outdoor units, mounting them, connecting the refrigerant lines, and wiring them up. MRCOOL provides installation videos and manuals to guide you through the steps, making the installation process easy and efficient. Required tools for installing a MRCOOL mini split. Before installing a MRCOOL mini split, ensure you have the necessary tools and supplies. These include a drill/driver, adjustable wrench, level, tape measure, and wire cutters. Additionally, you'll need safety gear like work gloves, safety glasses, and steel-toed boots. Don't forget items like a refrigerant line set, gauge manifold, flare nuts, insulation tape, and, if needed, a condensate pump. A smart thermostat is optional but provides added convenience and energy efficiency. Selecting the right MRCOOL mini split model. Choosing the appropriate MRCOOL mini split model depends on several factors. Consider the size of the area you want to cool, whether it's a single-zone or multi-zone system, heating needs, energy efficiency, and additional features like Wi-Fi connectivity and quiet operation. Properly selecting the model that suits your needs will ensure efficient cooling and temperature control. Preparing the installation space for your MRCOOL mini split. For an efficient installation, carefully determine the best locations for the indoor and outdoor units. Choose a high wall position in the center of the room for the indoor unit and a shaded, obstacle-free area with ample airflow for the outdoor unit. Keep the indoor and outdoor units relatively close together, within 165 feet, to ensure proper refrigerant flow. Prepare a concrete pad for the outdoor unit to provide a stable foundation and drainage. Step-by-step guide on how to install a MRCOOL mini split. The installation process involves several steps. Start by mounting the outdoor unit on a concrete pad or wall bracket, ensuring proper air circulation and level placement. Install the wall mount for the indoor evaporator unit and connect the refrigerant lines, ensuring they are not kinked or bent and insulating them. Connect the drain line and the electrical lines, and perform a test to check the system's operation. Finally, certified technicians will add refrigerant and seal the system for full functionality. Regular maintenance is recommended to keep the AC running efficiently. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split resource online. Have a great rest of your day.